Whenever I press the power button, Google Assistant opens up and I can't power off my phone. So I will show you sample. Now I will keep pressing the power. You can see
What do you want to know about a button?
Gemini
For example,
AI is opening. So how to resolve this issue? Whenever I press the power button and it will show me power menu. So first of all, you need to open your mobile phone settings, and after settings you need to scroll down a little bit, and then you will see here advanced features, and if you can't find, just simply click on search bar and type here side button. So it will appear here, click on that. Now here you can see double press, it will open camera. So long press, it will open Google Assistant. So if you click on that, you can simply click on power off menu. So now if I keep pressing power button, and you can see I can get my power off menu. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobile YouTube channel.